In order to change app permissions on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, we have two main ways that allow us to do so. You can, for example, open settings over here. On the left side, we're gonna scroll down until you find the security and privacy. There we go. Now we're gonna go to this privacy section where we can open more privacy settings, and then in here we should be able to find permission manager. And now we have the list of different permissions that we can manage. So for example, if I want to grant permission to location for some apps, then of course I can go to location, then I have the list of apps that have access to the location and also those that do not have access. If I want to change the permission for the specific app, then I can select the app over here and then I can choose whichever option I want to. And the second method is quite similar, but instead of going to security and privacy, we need to scroll down to apps. And over here we can first choose the app. So let's say I'm going to choose the assistant. Then over here we have permissions, and of course we can see the list of allowed permissions and not allowed. So in not allowed, for example, you should be able to see some permissions. Maybe calculator will have something. Unfortunately, no. So maybe I'm gonna use something different, maybe the Chrome browser. Surely there should be something. There we go. So now in this case, as you can see, we can select anything. We can manage specific permissions over here for the app of our choice. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.